As the sun rises over Vietnam, Margaret Nduta's fate remains uncertain. The 37-year-old Kenyan, sentenced to death for drug trafficking, spends what could be her final hours either awaiting execution or clinging to the fragile hope that diplomatic efforts might secure a last-minute reprieve. For days, Nduta's family, activists, and political leaders have fought desperately to halt her execution, urging President William Ruto to personally intervene. Diplomatic appeals and public outcry have intensified as time runs out, but it remains unclear whether these efforts will bear fruit. Vietnam, known for its unforgiving stance on drug offenses, carries out executions by lethal injection, a method that replaced firing squads in 2011. If no intervention succeeds, Nduta could face this grim fate within hours. Court records indicate that Nduta was arrested in July 2023 while transiting through Ho Chi Minh City en route to Laos. She claims she had been hired by a man known as John in Kenya, who paid her approximately 167,000 shillings to deliver a suitcase. She was also set to pick up another package on her return. Nduta successfully cleared security checks at Bole International Airport in Ethiopia and Hamad International Airport in Qatar, but her luck ran out in Vietnam. Authorities there discovered a false bottom in her suitcase, concealing a stash of cocaine. Despite her insistence that she was unaware of the drugs, Vietnamese prosecutors argued that she must be held accountable. Back home in the small village of Carico in Kiharu, Moranga County, news of her sentencing has sent shockwaves through the community. Initially, her family and neighbors had celebrated her travels, believing she had secured better opportunities abroad. Now, they are devastated. Her mother, Purity Wangari, is especially distraught. "My daughter went abroad to look for work. Now she is being sentenced to death. We are pleading with the government to intervene and bring her home," she said, her voice heavy with sorrow. Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Korir Singh-Oei has confirmed that Kenya has engaged Vietnam in diplomatic talks, requesting a stay of execution. However, with time slipping away, the question remains, will these efforts be enough to save her life?